Some of them are what they call spot lens, which brings all the light down to one small point, and some of them are what they call linear lenses, which pretty much spread the light out a little bit more. Okay, I'm going to be using a piece of cedar here to demonstrate. I don't know if you can see the pattern on the ground, but some of them, like those two right there, that is lame. Those two lenses right there suck. Now they work good for cooking, but they don't. Well, let me show you. Let me just show you what's going on here. See if I can do this. Alright, you see that light pattern? How it's kind of, when we zoom down, this one's going to come right down to pretty much a point and start cooking. Instant fire. So that one's awesome. Now check this one out. That one's awesome. I'm going to show you that one last. This one here is kind of milky. Let's see what this one does. Now you see there, we got a problem, Houston. That sucks. That's a linear lens. You see how that light pattern on that board is a line right there? It's still hot right there, barely, not even smoking the wood yet. You see what I'm saying? So I mean, this lens would not be ideal for melting copper or glass. Great for cooking. Let me show you. Whoa, watch your hand. Whoa. Right there, I mean, that's hot. I mean, you put an oven right there, cast iron pan, it's just not a spot lens. It won't rock that hard. Look at this big dog here, 60-incher. Woohoo, kid, you got a score. Wrong. Let me show you why. You see that light pattern? See how lame that is? Look at that, right there. Okay, we've focused. How lame is that? I mean, you can't. I mean, this one won't even start fire. Big old monster 60, and it doesn't even start fire. Now it'll cook. You know what I mean? It'll cook. You put an oven up in there, up in this area here, and it'll cook. But definitely not your best lens. This one here, second from the right. Light pattern on the bottom, not bad. Let's have a look. Watch. You see how that zingo right there? How it's kind of like it's a line. I don't know if I'm getting it, but right there. See, I mean, it'll start fire, but it's not a spot lens. This one on the end here, it's not a spot lens either. But let me show you the light pattern. Okay, check it out. When we go back, zing, you see that line? And it's still, you know, it'll start fire. Not bad, but not a spot lens. Great for cooking. Like I said, you put an oven, you put your hand in close to the glass, and then as you back out slowly, right there. I mean, I can feel right there. If that were a glass bowl, and that's about the size of a Frisbee, that will cook awesome. Now, let me show you a spot lens. I saved this one for last. Look at this puppy right here. This one's gonna rock you. Watch this. Watch this. Bam! I mean, that's like Luke Skywalker lightsaber right there. Insta. Woohoo! That melts pennies in 20 seconds. You'll melt liquid. So this lens can do everything that the other ones can, but it concentrates all of that. Watch it. Whoa, whoa, bam! I mean, insta. I mean, you can draw with it. You know what I'm saying? Cut a hot dog in half instantly. See that action? Woohoo! See that pattern? We're cool, we're cool. Okay, whoa, whoa. Right, well, I mean, just wow. The size of a dime. And these all came out of big screen TVs. So the moral of the story is, you're not going to know what lens you've got until you break it out, put it in the sun and have a look. You might score, you might get a spot lens, but then again you might end up with the Monster 60 that, you know, it's a great lens for cooking, for like the oven thing, the pot roast thing, the oven, but as far as, you know, like bouncing light under a skillet, that won't work. The light's way too, just, you know, not good. Anyway, that's the idea. So when you're out looking for lenses, hopefully you score on one of these Fresnel lenses, or these spot lenses. See how clear it is compared to the rest?